tonight because it really is awesome. Thank you. Hey Rick, could I just have a little more vocal, just a slight bit? Thank you so much. So this song I wrote with another SMB member, Alicia Lynn Sheely. It's called If You Go. Always knew you had it in you to one day up and get gone. And me, I've got these walls to break through, but I don't want to go it alone. Yeah, yeah. You and I got something special, and I won't let you forget. You and I were the way you fall, so get that goodbye out of your head. Baby, don't run, baby, don't hide. We can stick it out for another night. Ooh, yeah. Begging you to see, take a look in my eyes, down in my soul. Nothing but you and a heart of gold. I won't be the same, baby, if you go. Up. Me and you gotta keep this love alive, 'cause what we got is enough. Baby, don't run, baby, don't hide. We can stick it out for another night. Ooh, yeah. Begging you to see, take a look in my eyes, down in my soul. Nothing but you and a heart of gold. I won't be the same, baby, if you go. Everything you are, we'll give, we'll take, we'll bend, we'll break what's left of our hearts. You and I got something special.